everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of today's video, this is going to be our 2021 vision board. So I just have my sister with me again for this video. We recently just did a video together. We did the gingerbread house challenge. So if you guys haven't seen that video, make sure that you head over to my channel so that you can watch that video. It was very cute. And yeah, so like I said, today we're going to be doing our 2021 vision board, and as you could tell, the setting is just very like low-key chill. We're going to be playing music and just like, you know, vibing out. So for right now, we just have some magazines. As you can see, I saved all of these magazines from the beginning of the year because I knew I was gonna want to do a vision board. So, and I also have this, oh, you didn't even say hi or anything.
Hey y'all.
And then I guess we'll just show you guys what we have. But I got this little board right here. We got some scissors, some glitter, just some. We don't really have much, you guys. Like last year I did the most, but this year I'm just gonna make a pretty chill board. Got some letters. I'll show them what you got.
Okay, and then I got some little gems. Some gold sparkly letters, and then some stencils.
So last year I did a board that was similar to hers, but it was way bigger. This year I'm just gonna stick with the plain white board because I actually plan on framing it. So I got a picture frame and everything so that I could frame it and like basically be able to look at it. The other one was so big, I just put it under my bed and pretty much didn't even. So you guys, I wanted to just say before we get started, I actually wrote out all of my visions slash goals slash affirmations and things like that, things that I want to manifest for the new year. I told her to write it out as well, but clearly she didn't. So it's easier to just transfer basically this onto my board, and yeah, so it'll just be fluid. So anyways, we're gonna stop talking and we're gonna go ahead and get into it. This will be a time lapse like I said. So basically just watch us work. And then at the end, we'll come back and explain to you guys why we chose what we chose. And yeah, you have anything else to say?
No, I am.
Okay, so let's get into the video. Okay. Okay guys, so we're back and we're finally done. We've only been doing this for like, let me see, what time did we even start? I don't even remember what time we started, you guys, but we've been at it for hours, honestly. And yeah, so we're finally done and we're gonna go ahead and give you guys a view. Are you gonna hold this up? This is what mine looks like. Okay, so we're gonna really tell you guys what the stuff on our board means, and yeah.
Okay, I'll go first. So on my board I have little facts or whatever, and a little vegan sign, because in 2020 I'm gonna go vegan, or 2021 I want to go vegan. And then I have this, of course, to save money. Happiness, of course, we want that. This little laptop here represents YouTube, because I am going to start a channel, so be on the lookout for that. One of the cities that I want to, or one of the states that I want to travel to in 2021. Right here I have a little saying that says lose less, grow more, which is just a cute little thing to keep in your head. Right here I have college, because I want to go to college, and then once I, you know, go to college, and I will be able to get my dream job. Right here I just have like Instagram and Snapchat, and then it just says build your community, because I want to improve on my Instagram as well as my Snapchat. So yeah.
Yes. Okay, so this is what mine look like, you guys. I'm just gonna give you guys a little up close. Okay, so I'll just briefly discuss. So here I have some cities here. So this is Disney World, and this is just a random skyscraper which is made to symbolize New York, because I want to also go to New York. And then I have Orlando, Dallas, and what city is it? New York. It's New York right there. So obviously I want to travel in 2021. Right here I have workout, and then I have like a healthy meal right there, because I want to get fit, and I also want to eat healthy in 2021. Down here I have a little house, and it says finding a safe space, because I would definitely like to find a new apartment, and obviously I want that to be a safe space. And then right here I just have a dollar bill, basically to symbolize that I will be where the money resides in 2021. And then it has the word freedom above it, basically because it's like financial freedom. I just want to be able to live comfortably, you know, so, and provide for myself and obviously my family and stuff like that. So down here it says earn a BA, which is bachelor's degree, and that's for college and everything. Right here I just have this little book kind of that says goals, and then when you open it I have some of my more private goals that I didn't really want to display on the board in there. And then right here it just says self-care, because I want to really start taking care of myself in 2021. Like, I mean, just catering to myself and stuff like that, just because I want to grow my social media platforms. I really want to grow my YouTube, and I also have 1K down here, because I definitely want to hit 1K subscribers in 2021. Probably more than that. I'll more than likely have more than that, but I definitely want to get 1K subscribers. Right here it says start business, because obviously I'm going to start mine like that. So yeah, so yeah, that's basically my board, you guys. Just a brief overview of my board. I actually really like my board. What do you think about yours?
It's okay. It's okay for my first vision board. I think it's cute. It's alright.
Yeah, I did one last year, and let me tell y'all, it was nowhere near as good as this one. Like, I was just doing anything. But for this, we actually took our time and stuff. Like I said, we were doing this for a really long time, so I'm actually pretty satisfied with the way my board came out. And I'm gonna frame it and put it on display in my room, so that I'm constantly reminded of these goals. And yeah, for 2021. So that's basically the video, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you guys are going to be making your own vision boards, because this is definitely a way to stay on track in 2021 and make the year count. So yeah, that's what we'll be doing. And so yeah, I definitely encourage you all to make vision boards for 2021. Okay guys, so we'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys again for watching. Bye.